Hi guys, how's it going? I'm going to do a 5-minute update on ICX. It's January 29th, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time on a Monday. If you guys like these updates that I'm giving you, please don't hesitate in the least to request technical analysis, alright? If you guys have a really hot coin that needs TA, you're doing me a favor as well by bringing it to my attention so I could maybe get in on it as well. So please be sure to throw out those TAs, those requests on YouTube, on Twitter, and I will be happy to get to it as long as I see some promise and potential in it as well, right? And if you guys absolutely love these updates, I'd also appreciate an upvote on steemit, and make sure you like and subscribe to the stuff on YouTube and on Twitter. You might find a lot of goodies on my Twitter that's not found on steemit or on YouTube because I like to call out a lot of my positions. For example, yesterday, I called out an EOS bounce from $13.37 for a short-term trade. I said it was very oversold, and a lot of people got in on it. We bounced up 50 cents, which was amazing for the day traders and short-term position holders, right? So yeah, anyways, now we are at a critical point, guys. I've now entered my position finally on Binance there, okay? And I will give you guys the biggest hint that we have seen so far. So every time we have tried to break this resistance of mine right here around 8,100 or 81,000 rather, we were not able to break it, right? And successfully close above it until now. Okay, this candle right here in the last 4 hours, some people might consider it a hanging candle or an indecisive candle. But the way that I actually saw it is a rejection to the resistance, right? The bears tried to reject down and some people took some profit to ladder and maximize their gains there, or sort of to minimize their risk. Big rejection to the downside, bulls pushed it up. So this met my criteria to enter finally, and this is what I'm going to do, and I'm very, very happy to share my thoughts as well. So I entered my position as soon as that candle formed. So I entered at around 81,000 Satoshi. I've got my stop loss pretty tight here, slightly below this wick right here, around 78,000 Satoshi, and I will gladly be targeting 10K. 10K is my number. A lot of people will be targeting 11K, but what I will do is I will take some profit at 10K, maybe 60% or 50%, and then I will see what happens at the 11K range. This way I'm not going to feel too bad if it goes up to 11K, right? And at least I have some of the house money that's guaranteed in my pocket already. So this is what I have been waiting for days. I've been trying to give you guys a technical update on this since I think the 16th, almost every single day now, right? So this has met tons of my criteria to enter. And you know what? For all we know, it might not break it, right? So it might not even break it. But I wanted to enter at a decent position. And what will most likely happen is when we break, or if we break, this 87,000 Satoshi range, I will add more to my position. That's what I'm going to be happy to do. Add more to my position because then we've officially confirmed a break above the 87,000 Satoshi range, and we will most likely be targeting 10,000 to 11,000 Satoshi. And also big shout out to Eric Tro, who's been if you guys don't know him, I'm going to give a shout out to him. Make sure you guys give him a follow. Make sure you guys give him a follow on Twitter because he has been giving play-by-plays on pretty much the same coins as me. He's an awesome technical analyst as well who focuses on Elliott Wave like myself and also like Hyjin. Not only that, he's Asian. Okay guys, he's Asian. So myself, Hyjin, and Eric, we're like the trio that likes to do technical analysis with Elliott Wave. He's got about 60,000 followers so far, and it's only going to grow from there because he's got amazing content. And if you guys follow him, let him know. Let him know that you guys found him because of me. Because I wanted to give me the respect, you know? He's so funny, that guy. He's always talking about like, oh, look at this double penetration at the resistance, right? He's always saying weird things like that. And I'm always, every time it pokes out, for example, I'd be tweeting things like, oh, just the tip, like that. Or I'd be like, whoa, look at Bitcoin's really hard erection right there. It's just skyrocketing. So he's got like a very similar personality to me as well. So guys, these are my quick thoughts on ICX. I just want to tell you guys congratulations to every single person who is holding ICX and has been holding very strong for the past few days, okay? Very strong. I know that you guys have been very nervous about it, but we did it, guys. We are about to break this resistance based on everything that I see right here. And I'm extremely excited to get to 10 to 11K with you guys. We might not get there, right? We might not get there. And if there's even signs of any weakness below the 87,000 range, I will gladly make another video again. And I'll also be sure to tweet about it as well. But as far as it stands, guys, we have nothing to worry about so far. The volume is really picking up right now as it broke through this soft resistance of mine right here. And I do think that we're eventually going to trend up to roughly like somewhere above 87K, right? Somewhere above 87K, and then we'll do a small correction for wave 4 right here, or a long one, but eventually we will most likely break to the 10K range. So what I tell all my friends, and this is not financial advice, is that every time we reach a critical resistance, always consider taking some of your profit, because you can guarantee some of that profit, right? And then if it ends up uptrending more, you can always add more to your position. And think about it like this, because you've taken some profit already, the coins that you're buying, think of it as some of the house money, all right? So think of some of the house money that you've already profited. You're using their money, not really yours. So you're really minimizing your risk, and you're really guaranteeing a lot of your profit as well. So once again, congratulations to everybody that has been holding. I will give you guys a really good update in the next few hours or days, depending on if there's progress on this, and I will keep you guys up to date then. Other than that, have yourselves a great day. I'd really appreciate an upvote on steemit, and make sure you also like and subscribe to all this stuff on YouTube and on Twitter. Bye now, guys. Take it easy.